Hello everyone, here we are back at the Crestwood Rec Center again, and we are back at these air conditioners. Here's this Trane XB which is running. Coil gate is shaking. It's got a GE commercial fan motor. It's got a red paint aligned scroll. 2006. That's it's 2006. That's K. That might be a 4-ton. Yeah, it's running. It's the disconnect box, the cold-handed disconnect box with the on and off switch. You can see the trees cut down. I can see all the houses in the distance. Now if you go around the building, it looks like an open field now. There used to be a lot of trees there, but now they removed it. I can see a lot of the houses in the distance. Here's the air conditioners on the back side. The EMI is not running. I don't think they actually use this unit, probably. Yeah, here's the EMI. It's got a rotary compressor. Doesn't even have a data sheet. No, it does not. I do not know what the data is. Yeah, doesn't have a data sheet. Here are these units, these package units. It turns out these two are not running. Yeah, they have not been running. They also don't use these units. Yeah, McQuay, old McQuay. This one's got a new motor, and this one's got an original Emerson fan motor. Let's see, this one has been. Oh, this one has been running. Wait. Here's the McQuay. So they right there. Here's the Trane Odyssey. There's the Trane Odyssey split systems right here. This one is running. I filmed this one running, but now it's finally back to running. Oh no, very hot air. So these blades, so when they're running, these blades are actually spinning different directions. On the left fan, the blades are spinning counterclockwise, and on the right fan, the blades are spinning clockwise. So the blades are spinning different directions on each side. It does the same thing to this. Blades are in different directions. The air is coming out the side too. It does make a lot of rattle to it. These units are working great. Yeah, they're all Trane Odysseys. It is from 2008. This one is a 2009. Suction line is very cold, but not as wet. Oh my gosh, that liquid line is very hot. That must be very hot boiling water inside that liquid line. This thing might be overcharged, but I think, yeah, that's why the liquid line is so hot, because of the temperature outside. This unit is still working very, very strong. Yeah, the fans spin different directions on these Trane Odysseys. There's a generator right there. Yeah, there are some trees there, but now they removed it. Now you can see some distant houses. The EMI actually never runs. I don't think it probably uses this unit. Oh my goodness. Those are some like the big ducks. Oh my goodness. It's builders actually put a screen on those vents. Now, none of the dust is able to expel. There are only 2 units running this building, except for 3. But the train came on. Seen the train not running, but it finally came on. Just listen to that. Just listen to that Alliance scroll sound. Man, this thing is very quiet. So yeah, I'm gonna actually take a picture of the train because I want to take a picture of a central unit. I want to face my shadow. Here's a picture. There we go. Just only wanted to take a picture of the central unit because why not? So yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.